Hey guys, it's me Raju and this is my channel GL Style Girls Lifestyle. Today we are going for another trip to
Vietnam.
Let's get started.
to an international location finally after like
1.5 years almost.
yeah, I mean I'm traveling after so long, but it's gonna be so fun.
It would.
So basically now we are in Kolkata. We took a flight from Bhubaneswar to Kolkata and we reached in like just an hour. We have a 3-hour halt here, 3-hour layover here. So yeah, let's go. We are really excited for this trip and we will show you guys what we are doing. Hey guys, so now we have done our immigration and security check-in again, and now we are sitting here. It's not a restaurant, it's like a open restaurant kind of in the airport itself. This is in the international part of the airport, and we've ordered biryani because obviously Kolkata is known for its biryani, but also because we thought we'll have rice for like one last time until we get it again in Vietnam. But yeah, we'll have biryani. But like one thing I noticed that everything here is so expensive. Like the food is so expensive. Like the biryani is for 670 rupees like per person and like almost 700 rupees. I hope it is nice. But we saw other people eating the biryani and the quantity is so less. I mean, I get biryani in front of my tuition, which is so cheap. Like it's 70 rupees and it gives this much of biryani. Like that's not kawa biryani. That's really delicious.
70 rupees chicken biryani.
Yeah, it's so delicious. But now this is so. Anyways, we just can't help it. I just hope it's good.
It would be chill.
Hey guys, guess where we are? So basically, we just reached now to Hanoi. So this is Vietnam's. This is a very famous place in Vietnam. Is it the capital of Vietnam?
Yes.
Yes, it is the capital of Vietnam. So we just reached. We got our luggage from the counter, and now we also did our immigration, and now we're gonna go to our hotel. It's already 9 o'clock today because it was raining in Kolkata, so we had to.
1 hour delay.
Yeah, they're so excited. We're going to our hotel now. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Gelato Italia.
Bar cocktails.
Starbucks.
Yeah. Medicine and lunch.
Hey guys, so we reached our hotel, which is like a homestay. It's called Hanoi Homestay. But what happened is they actually gave us the wrong hotel, like the wrong rooms. But now we hopefully will get the right rooms, and we have been served fruits here, dragon fruit and mangoes, and these mangoes are literally like the best mangoes that I've ever had. It's so good. So good.
Yeah. यहाँ पे एक क्यूट सा मेहमान भी रहता है.
So guys, after having these juicy and pulpy mangoes, so sweet mangoes, we're going to have dinner now. So we decided that we've not gotten our rooms till now, so we decided we'll go and just have dinner first, and then we'll come back and then we'll get our rooms. So we're gonna walk and go to some place to have dinner.
Yeah.
Let's see what we have. So we are walking on the streets. It's basically 10 o'clock now, and I can see that everything is closed. मतलब मेरे को बिल्कुल भी दिख नहीं रहा थोड़ा सा भी लाइक वो जो भीड़ भाड़. बट हम डिनर करने जा रहे हैं. वो जो हमारी थी रिसेप्शनिस्ट, her name is Perfume. ओके, उन्होंने अपना नाम चेंज करके परफ्यूम रखा है. उनका ओरिजिनल नाम है समथिंग होयान या होचू ना वैसा कुछ है. सो हम अभी जा रहे हैं डिनर करने. उन्होंने बोला कि सामने एक है स्ट्रीट फूड वाला जो 24/7 खुला रहता है.
तो सामने से लेफ्ट लेना है and then we'll go to eat some dinner.
Yeah, I hopefully will have pho for the first time. Let's go and see.
Bui bui.
Hey guys, so we have come for dinner to this place called Coffee 24, which is on like a walking distance from our hotel. We have ordered banh mi, pho and spring rolls. So banh mi and pho are typical authentic Vietnamese dishes. Pho is like a noodle soup and banh mi is like a sandwich. So yeah, let's see how does that. Yes, I'll just show you the place around. The spring rolls have already arrived. So yeah. I'm quite with this.
मैं स्वीट ट्राई कर रहा हूँ.
Oh my god.
है ना?
ये कर.
अच्छा है. ये मीठा है.
It's actually bland. Like, it has many veggies, chicken, and it's like really deep fried. The chili sauce that they give here in every single place, that actually saves this. It's not bad though. Okay.
अच्छा ही है. बस चिकन की तरह ही लग रहा है.
So guys, let's try pho because I'm waiting since a very long time to try this. Let's try the soup first. Hey yaar.
खोल दिया.
It looks very clear and bland, but it's actually really flavorful. We'll also try the noodles. तुम भी करो try.
तो कर दे.
We have noodles, we have chicken.
आ ही नहीं.
आ ही नहीं रहा. Noodles bland है but soup अच्छी है.
चिकन ट्राई कर. Trying pho. Trying pho.
Banh mi. Sorry.
I can eat this whole day. लोग
अच्छा
चाहिए नहीं.
was.
मैं लंच डिनर सब खा लूँगा.
So good. It's actually so good. So good. Very delicious. इसके जो सॉसेज हैं, जो वेजीज हैं, इतने फ्रेश हैं. चिकन जो इतना फ्रेश है भाई. The bread is so crunchy. The veggies are so fresh. The chicken is so fresh. The sauce is so good.
Oh, hell.
Our main plan was to not eat here, eat somewhere else. But then
Sudden plans.
that place was closed, so we had to come here. But this place is also so good. I mean, wow. When we came here, no people were there. But now there are people. So guys, finally we got our rooms. I look so bad. But okay, this is our room. It's actually really nice. This is really spacious and nice. And the AC is also damn good, so yep. This is the washroom.